Today we're going to demonstrate using the stock microphone via stock Bluetooth. Let's go into the app and find the Android Auto permissions and turn off the 4 permissions called Logs permission, Phone, SMS, Contacts permission. Click on the screen, select OEM card info, and then select telephone Bluetooth devices. Add new device in order. Take out your cell phone and connect the stock Bluetooth. After successful connection, go back to the Linux interface. Connect Android Bluetooth with your cell phone. Turn off all the permissions for Android Bluetooth on your phone. Android Auto connects successfully, and when a call comes in, we click Answer.
Okay. Hello?
Hello.
As you can see, our call was made in the OEM interface, using the OEM microphone.